Okay, welcome back again. I would just want to show you, provide you with some information in regards to supplies. Okay? Again, make sure you take on the information as it is given, extract it, write it up, do some additional research for yourselves, look it up in the IE regs and your on-site guide. Okay? It makes very good references in regards to the regulations. Okay? Use the regulations. It is your Bible, nothing less. Okay? Now this is simply showing you types of systems in place. Okay? Make sure they comply with what's already applicable and is given in the new regulations of the IE regs, which will issued from the 1st of January 2019. Okay. Okay, again, make sure always draw out the diagram and write out the text that goes with the diagram. Okay. Okay, again, here you don't need me to do a lot of talking because it's quite self-explanatory. Okay, and again, type of TT system applicable. Okay. Okay, thank you for your time. I trust you find this information useful. Bye-bye.